Previously, Paolo and I conquered Dumaguete, and now we're on our way to the City of Smiles before we head back home. But not before exploring and eating everything that Bacolod has to offer. It was a 5-hour-long journey from Dumaguete to Bacolod, but with a good playlist and even better company, well, you survive.
Oh, we're right beside the router.
It's 406. Oops. Wrong one.
God. Oh, they have a work desk. So I can still work. Cool.
Hey, look at that.
Oh look, they have an emergency light. It's the little things that count.
It's like our emergency light.
I know. Hi, this is what I look like 6 hours after. So now we are on our way to have dinner. We kind of wanted to go to Kalea, but then it was closed. So now we're just gonna go to like a Japanese restaurant that has good reviews and that is pretty near our place. So we're just walking to it because we're so hungry and tired. Careful. Is this the one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're here already. What's it called? Kaisei. Oh, and it's pretty big too.
The next day.
So, as you all know, Paolo and I originally decided to travel to get his passport renewed. I got news that Paolo's passport renewal center was right beside the driver's license renewal center. And so I decided to come so I could finally, after a year of not driving, get my license renewed. Wrong.
Paolo is already done getting his passport renewed, and sad story for me. I wanted to get my driver's license renewed and I couldn't because I'm not from here. They don't have the card. I couldn't even just get my medical exam done here and bring the results back to Cebu, which honestly really was a waste because there's absolutely no one here. And then a girl came up to me, she's like, oh, where's the PRC center? I'm like, dude, I don't know, I'm not from here. And then it hit me, oh my god, they have a PRC center here. And my nursing license is already renewed. And I figured, well, you know, you're already here, why not just check it out? So I checked it out. Absolutely no one there. Would have been like a breeze to have gotten my PRC license renewed, but I couldn't. So I didn't achieve anything this morning. But now we're gonna go have duck. Next scene. Well, according to our research and a friend, they suggested that we go to Sitting Duck, and they saw obviously duck. So we're gonna go try it out. The restaurant is called Sitting Duck, but they don't serve duck.
Duck or no duck, we decided to stay there anyways, and the food was actually pretty good. Then we headed to Kalea, one of Bacolod's most famous pastry shops, to try out some cake. It was really hard to say, guys.
One we asked says that we have to go to Kalea. We went to the original one, but it was under renovation, so we went to the next one, which was literally right across the first one. Ang ilahang food dira pa ba? Or ilang dessert. So na siya, like, they don't have like a specialty, right? Like, Dumaguete is known for Silvana, Singana. You told me to get the mud pie. I don't believe mud pie was originated in Bacolod.
As per the suggestion of my friends, I got the mud pie cake, even if I'm not a fan of chocolate. And well, here's my reaction.
Very good.
Honestly, I like Paolo's cheesecake more, but he wouldn't trade. What a butthead.
Will I be it? Yep.
No, I'm from.
It's not good. Don't taste it.
Shut up, I'll kill you.
The next stop we went to was Jojo Vito's showroom, which was a beautiful display of painted mascaras. You can also paint your own mascaras if you want, but Paolo and I didn't stay long since we still had a few things to check off our list. If you didn't know, Bacolod is known for their Mascara Festival, which happens every October, which is filled with beautiful masks along the street and even more beautiful people celebrating the festival. Next, we dropped by the Negros showroom to buy some pasalubongs for our friends and family back home. This sophisticated shop is filled with a variety of locally produced products that are pretty affordable and definitely leave a lasting impression.
They're ruins.
I know, but no, you know what I read about it? It used to be someone's home, like a really rich family's home. And then during the war, gipaguba because like mahadlok sila nga Japanese like refuge would go there and hide. I swear.
Really?
Yes, I'm gonna do the research. That's really why.
Left on Bacolod Airport Access Road.
I don't believe
And
you.
then they've been trying to restore it. Muna karon it looks like a little bit prettier. But that's the story I know about the ruins.
I don't believe you.
We're gonna go inside and you're gonna find out for yourself and you're gonna
Well,
know
you know what? Let's just go
that
in
I
front.
was right.
Let's-
How much do you wanna bet?
How much you wanna bet?
Maybe 20 pesos. An ice cream cone.
I'll raise you 5.
5 ice creams? I can buy you as many ice cream as you want. I know ako magyapoy mukhaon na.
It's true.
I'll buy you a box of pizza if I'm wrong. If I'm right, you can take me shopping. I really hope I'm right because I'm not sure. Look, look, look. Oh! That's what it looks like. What the hell is that? What the hell is she doing? Look what she's doing over there. She's literally putting like just one line. What is that? Come on, let's go find the history so I can tell you that I'm right. States Armed Forces of the Far East guerrilla fighters torched the mansion to prevent the Japanese imperial forces from using it.
Yeah,
So he built
but
it.
you didn't say that it was the Americans.
I just said like, I think I said, like for the Japanese refugees.
Aside from touching upon your history, there are a few other things that you can do at the ruins, like have a merienda, admire the scenery, a cow you can't touch, and take some photos.
Okay, so another stop that you definitely have to go to when you're in Bacolod is the Manukan country, and it says here, namit ang manok sa Bacolod. Oh yeah!
We need to find Aida.
Ano Aida man daw?
I don't know. They said Aida's good.
Okay, I see it. Aida's. Bernadette Umbao Aida's. It has like a chicken in front of it. Okay, fam. So, Paula says that if you eat here, you have to like make the special sauce and stuff. So I'm gonna teach you guys what to do. So first is the calamansi, and then you put some toyo, and then this is the magic sauce. It's chicken dripping oil, and then you mix it in. Okay, and then that's it, and then I'll show you guys what to do the rice after. A recipe that our friend was telling us about that only people from Bacolod know. You have to put salt in your rice and then some of the chicken oil.
Chicken Bacolod was definitely one of my favorite meals there. So if you're ever in Bacolod, make sure to drop by Manukan Country and don't forget the secret rice recipe. The last stop we made before heading off to Lakawan Island was another famous restaurant named Felicia's. I honestly wanted to go and have my photo taken there so I could caption it by Felicia, but that didn't quite work out. Anyways, we had awesome cookies there, and we made sure to bring some home for our family and friends. Our adventure is almost over, but before that, we dropped by the beautiful Lakawan Island for one night. Make sure to catch this episode next week, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some love in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell for updates. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!